What's up, happy people? I'm Braden.
I'm Aiden.
And I'm Jaden.
And today we're going to be fishing in a stock pond for catfish and bass. Let's go.
Alright, and this is Isaac. He's our guest for today. We have our catfish rods out already, and now we're just waiting. What's up, Braden?
Hello.
All right, right now,
We're gonna
me,
go
Braden, and Isaac.
Cross the street.
Yep. All the
We've
way
had
over
no
there.
look at this pond so far.
And then Aiden, I think he said he's gonna stay here. Try out some more. We've gotten a few bites, but I mean,
We've had nothing land, so.
yeah,
gonna
we're
go
mainly
across the
gonna go for bass now. I mean, before we were doing catfish and bass, but we're doing bass. Looks like Aiden's got a fish. Oh, where is he?
He's hiding.
Right there.
Yeah. Frick you.
Gotcha. So funny.
Ah.
Boy, if you don't get...
Looks like we got a fish. Let's go. Finally, we've been fishing for a while. This is the next day, but there's a little guy.
Just a little.
All right. I mean, yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, there he goes. Huh. Yeah, we're just fishing at this pond now.
This is a little jig I got on.
Literally, we've been on here for 5 minutes, and we already caught one. So yeah, we're fishing, and then we see this massive gator over here, like 7 or 8 foot. Just sitting there in the water.
That thing's
Yeah.
huge. The
Bro, what the heck?
smallest bass.
He literally just got the smallest bass.
Dude, and then he popped up right on shore.
What the heck?
It's a small baby
it's the
bass.
smallest bass in the world.
He's the size of my hand.
I thought that was like a skinny bluegill for a second.
Oh, it's raining.
Huh.
Alright, it just started raining. So we're just under these trees, just not getting wet, staying dry.
Yep.
Till it lines up a
It's
little.
already clearing up a little bit right now. There's
And
Isaac all
Isaac's
the way
staying
over there.
drenched in-
He's been over there the whole time. Oh,
Stop it.
I was about to do that.
looks like he's got another one. Is that another world record small bass?
Alright, we're climbing up. Alright. Dude,
Another one.
holy crap, this is heavy, bro.
Oh, I can
Oh,
What is that, like 15 pounds?
I'm surprised you're holding that with one finger.
Alright, let's release him.
How are we catching all these small bass? Right, he literally just caught another one. He called it too. Just right here.
He goes, "Watch,
Another
fish right here,
small
fish
one.
right here."
Look at him jumping.
Yeah, it's not a different species.
It looks like
I
it.
know, it looked like
It's just
it.
a little largemouth.
Another Isaac!
He's caught 3 small ones. Just got another bluegill. Man, that bait's good. It's a rooster tail.
Yes, sir. Dude,
Yeah,
this
that was a
thing's
big
awesome.
bluegill.
So yesterday we were fishing and we saw these other gentlemen fishing. So he actually gave me this rooster tail. Dude,
Yeah.
best thing ever.
Yeah. Looks like he's got a bass, maybe?
Yes, best.
Oh, nice. Bigger than before. That one's actually kind of nice.
How big is it?
You gotta weigh that one for sure.
Come on. That's best.
Nice.
That's a good
That
looking
one's
fish.
nice.
Dude, that sucker's fatty, dude.
Yeah. Let's go.
All right, let's see.
2.8.
2.84. Almost 3
Almost three.
pounds. I go release this.
Here we go.
I go. Dude, that thing's huge.
Yeah. Looks like another one. Is that another small bass? Man, he's getting all the small bass.
What's the pliers again?
Huh. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Oh wow, he went fast.
Alright, so I was fishing, my line snapped mid-cast, and my lure flew onto this guy's roof. And now we're trying to get it down.
Yep, it's just right there.
Yo, Isaac, can I try to cast this up there or no?
He just got the world's smallest bluegill. We keep catching the world's smallest of everything. Well, there he goes. Oh, and Brayden got his lure back, so. I mean, that lure works good, so good thing he got it back. All right, it's the next day. We're fishing at the creek we first started off on our first video. And as right over here, there's like a 7-foot gator just laying on the bank. I don't know if you could see it, but yeah, we're just gonna try out here. Let's see how it goes. All right, we still haven't caught anything yet. We've been here for about an hour or so. And now we're just getting desperate. We're literally using every worm in our tackle box. So hopefully we catch something. Right now, packing up. We're gonna head down that way a little bit. I don't know what Aiden's doing over there. He's getting
trying to be
pretty.
the National Geographic look-alike. The thing's about to either
Gator's
go in the
gonna get
water
him.
or run after Aiden.
What they doing?
Stupid.
You know, it'd be funny
He's
if it's a
chucking
second
sticks
on.
at it. Looks like while we're walking, found a tortoise. Gopher tortoise. Or turtle. I don't know. Let's see. Here it is. Oh, boy. Scared. Hey. How are you doing? Alright, me and Brayden are done. We're just walking back. I guess Aiden wanted to stay a little longer. I don't know why, but fortunately nothing here, so it's probably gonna be it with the video, and we'll see you at the outro. That's it for this video, guys.
If you're new, please sure to hit that subscribe button.
And turn on that notification button to get more videos like this one.
Please put in the comments what you guys want to see, because we're kind of at a loss for videos right now.
And we'll see you guys next time.